Hey guys, today we'll be making Gousto's spiced chicken wrap. To start, cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces and place into a medium-sized bowl for mixing. Then, add your curry powder, turmeric, and cayenne pepper. Warning, be careful with turmeric. It will stain everything that you love. I once did a stress-relieving turmeric mask before a college final, and yeah, I no longer trust Pinterest. Okay, now let's dice our onion. I've actually heard that you can tell a lot about a person by the way they cut an onion. So feel free to psychoanalyze me in the comments. Actually, don't, please. Alright, now let's chop our cilantro and mint. These are such flavorful herbs. If you have the gene that makes cilantro taste like soap, thoughts and prayers, my friend. Next, let's dice up our tomato. Summer is the tomato's time to shine, so if you want to take your meals to the next level, buy what's in season. Next, let's mix up our chopped cilantro, mint, mayo, olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Here you see me use a pestle and mortar as the recipe says, but really I don't think it's necessary, so if you don't have one, don't sweat it. The reason it calls for a pestle and mortar is because this is a European recipe, and they love a good pestle and mortar, so if you're interested in getting one, this is actually from IKEA and it was pretty inexpensive. Next, let's saute 2/3 of our onion, save the rest for salsa. Then, add the chicken and cook for about 8 minutes or until cooked through. Lastly, add a squeeze of lemon and cover and set aside. Next, lightly wilt your spinach. And it's time to warm our tortillas, so set your oven timer to 3 minutes. Pop them out and it's time to assemble. So here the recipe calls for 3 tortillas per person, but I believe they're using what are called street taco tortillas, which are a bit smaller than these. I couldn't find those this time, so we're using 2 slightly bigger ones. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for future recipe reviews.